it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for an amazing set of modern lights to update the look in your bathroom, you can't go wrong with these ones from Ketaukdat. We installed these in a second bathroom, and we could not believe how much better it made everything look in there. We got the set that has clear glass globes. These are well made, and they even have a hardwired connection, which makes for easy installation. Once we removed the old fixture, we were able to install this right over the top of the hole that was already there, which made it really quick and easy. It's so nice that this light fixture is really built well. It's made with really nice high quality metal, so it's rust resistant, and they even had the forethought to make the sockets where the light bulbs go heat resistant. So it helps to minimize the need to frequently replace your light bulbs. We got the brushed gold finish with 3 lights, and this is a 22-inch wall sconce. So this looks really good above the mirror, and as you can see, just brightens everything up really nicely. I think they look fabulous, and that's my point of view.